if the sanitary pad you use started as a bamboo tree in the forest? This is the shocking step by step transformation from raw bamboo to a soft, ultra absorbent sanitary pad. It all begins in the lush bamboo forest, where mature bamboo stalks are carefully harvested. These fast growing plants are one of the most sustainable resources on earth.
Mature bamboo cones 3 to 5 years old are sustainably harvested from plantations. Stalks are cut at the base using manual tools or mechanical harvesters. Only the inner soft pitch is selected for fiber extraction. Outer part is later removed. This is the starting raw material, fast-growing, renewable bamboo.
The bamboo is transported to a processing facility where each stalk is sorted by size and quality, ensuring only the best material is used. The next powerful machine slices the bamboo into small chips, breaking it down into manageable pieces for processing. These chips are then transformed inside massive tanks, where heat, water, and processing break them. Harvested bamboo stalks are chopped into small pieces. Outer hard skins and leaf stripes away, and the inner cellulose-rich peaks is mechanically crushed into chips or coax puffs. In some eco processes, it undergoes steaming and thick refining, thermomechanical popping, to break down fibers without heavy chemicals yet. Crushed bamboo pulp is soaked in 15 to 20% sodium hydroxide solution, alkaline hydrolysis, for 1 to 3 hours to form alkalic cellulose. It is pressed, shredded, aged, treated with carbon, gasified to create viscous solution, then extruded through spinneret into an acidic bath where it regenerates into soft, absorbent bamboo viscose fibers, the dormant process for sanitary pads. Fibers are washed, bleached, and dried into bales or rolls. Bamboo viscose fibers are fluffed, carded, or air-laid into soft pulp shape. For sanitary pads, They are often combined with a small amount of cellulose or super-absorbent polymer papers, then form into ultra-thin absorbent cores, highly absorbent antibacterial due to natural bamboo property. The core is cut into precise rectangular shapes. Bamboo fibers are also spun into non-woven fibers for the soft, hot air bonded top sheet, 20 mg breathable. A ventilated, biodegradable backsheet, often PLA or PE, based for eco versions, and legal barrier are prepared on separate rolls. Adhesive, release papers, and anion chips, optional, are rated as raw materials. Raw materials roll, bamboo top sheet, absorbent core, back sheet, legal are fed into the high-speed sanitary pad machine. Layers are aligned. The core is placed between top sheet and back sheet. Adhesive are applied, and the structure is formed into a full pad shape with wings or channel for better fit and absorption. The continuous pad web is embossed, bonded for strength, individually cut to standard size. Example: 245 mm, 280 mm. Wings folded if present. Adhesive stripes and release papers applied to the back. Quality inspection occur here before final wrapping. This creates the complete ready-to-use sanitary pad. Finished pads are automatically wrapped in individual PA films or biodegradable wrappers, stacked in packs, sealed and boxed for distribution. Every pad is now complete, ultra-absorbent, antibacterial, eco-friendly from bamboo tree origin.